Okay, so doing a continuity test on the video cable input, since I wasn't getting a video in my last videos. I wasn't getting a video signal on the monitor. Found, let's see, it's not just a fluke, the orange wire. Let me get this set up here. The camera. Anyways, orange wire. Maybe if I go through this set, here we go like this. So we got orange connector there. But if we come down here, okay, it's making contact now. Okay, well, I wasn't getting contact at one point. I might just have the probe in the wrong spot. Okay, so I'm gonna double check this one more time. Then I'm gonna continuity test this cable and see if there's an issue there. And then that would explain why I'm not getting a video input signal, if there is.